Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Anne Egurube, Vine Cakes Port Harcourt. In today's tutorials, I'm going to teach you how to make cake mousse. It's used for cake decoration, especially when you want to create grass effect on your cake. The recipe is very simple and easy to make. All you need is sugar, all-purpose flour, baking powder, egg, flavor, and food colors. To do this, we have just one egg at room temperature, and then we'll have our sugar. I'm just going to stir this together. This is our baking powder. I'm going to add it into the flour and then I mix together. Don't worry, the recipe will be included in our description box, so you can get it from there. So we'll just add all of this and then we'll mix together. If you like, you can add half teaspoon of honey to this. I didn't add any honey to this, it's optional. So this is ready. This is ready. Now I'm going to share my batter into two before I add my food color to it. So I have my batter in two portions. I'm going to add a bit of green to this. I'm using dry color. You can use any color that you have. Now I'm going to just add a drop of flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. Right now I'm using vanilla flavor, just a drop of it. So this batter is ready. Now I'm going to still scoop from this into another bowl. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to create different color effect. Okay, I want a light green, a deep green, and a yellow color. Okay, this is good. So I'm going to add a little bit of yellow to this, and then a little bit of green. So right now we have three different shades of right now we have 2 shades of green. This is deeper than the other. This is deeper than the first one. You can see the difference. So our batter is ready. So we're going to put this our batter in, and we are baking this in the microwave. So I'm going to add this first. Then I add some yellow. Add up this deep green. If you want more of this, all you need to do is to double your recipe, and you may not need to have all this. I mean, make different colors if you want a particular shade of green, or you want to have just one color. Why I have my batter in 3 different colors is because I want to create some color contrasts, okay? But if you don't want this, all you need to do is just to use the main color you want to work with. So this is ready. We're going to pop it into the microwave for say 5 to 10 minutes and it will be ready. You can see how it's rising. You can see what is happening in the microwave. You can see how it's increasing in size. The effect is amazing. Yeah, you can see it has almost filled our cup. You may be wondering why disposable cups or why paper cup. Yeah, it helps you just bring it out easily. You know, you are not greasing your pan, okay? You are not using a baking pan, so your disposable cup allows you to just tear it open and then bring it out easily. But when you use if you must use a baking pan, then you will need to line your pan with parchment papers, okay? If you're comfortable using your pan, okay, then you will need to line it with parchment paper. So here we are. You can see it's ready. You can see the stuff. You can see how bouncy, like it's like a foam. You can see the effect. It's just like you touching a foam, okay? It's 30 minutes is 3 minutes 30 seconds is enough to cook this, okay? So we're going to wait for this to cool down before we bring it out. But if you're curious like I am, you may just want to see what it looks like. Can you see now? Can you see what it looks like? Yeah. So this is it. You can see the contrast we have created. You can see how beautiful it looks. You can allow this to dry, to cool down before you use it. It has to cool properly before you bring it out evenly. So what I'm going to do is just to use my scissors to cut this open and bring out the whole stuff. This is what it looks like. See why you need to use disposable cup or paper cup.